'Tis the season of giving, so I'd like to give someone a chance in my audience to win $10,000 in my new favorite game, Make It Rain. Here's the game. Have you seen this game before?
Yes.
Okay, so you know the deal. I'll ask a question, and if you know the answer, grab the water bottle and make sure you know the answer. And every time you get an answer right, you get a chance to pull one of those cords. Under one of those umbrellas is $10,000 cash, but under a whole bunch more is a lot of water. So, but the more you pull, the more chances you get to win the money. Yeah. Okay, over there and stand on the marks, and I'll ask a question. The holidays are a great time to give presents to those you love. What would be a great present for someone who enjoys a funny animated fish trying to find her family?
Finding Dory.
That's right.
Shoot.
Finding Dory. It's out on DVD now. All right. Which one do you want to pull?
If I can reach it.
All right. Yep. Can you grab it? So it's actually doubly fun for us because we make you jump and you get wet. So. All right. Christmas is the 25th day of December. How many days of giveaways are there on my show?
12 with
That's
the surprise
right.
day, 13.
All right. Which one do you want to pull?
Yellow. Okay, sorry. Go. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay.
Good job.
That wasn't it.
No.
That was not the one with money. All right.
Okay.
It's important that Santa has high-quality insurance in the unfortunate case of a sled accident. Who sponsors my skybox? All right. All right. All right. Let's do this. You each get to pull one, so both of you decide, so that you aren't conflicting on decide.
I don't know.
Okay, so Melody, you go first. All right. Nope. All right. All right.
Okay.
No. All right. Nope. Place the water bottle in the middle. Be fair. All right. This is so much fun. Here we go. Hands behind your back. My Ed by Ellen betting line is available right now at Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't have a question about that. I just want to know...
Sorry.
I just want to know what Hanukkah decoration holds candles.
The menorah.
Yes. All right. You're very quick. All right.
I'm gonna go over here. Oh my God. Okay.
Congratulations. You're not going home empty-handed. You're getting $1,000 cash for us getting you wet. I would hug you, but no.